everybody, Denise Vasquez here from the Disabled Photographer Project, coming to you with another edition of How Accessible is Accessible. Right now we just entered White Sands National Park, and I spotted these beautiful red flowers blooming from the cactus, so we had to stop and pull over before even getting too far into the park. So if you want to come and take a closer look, Randy, I'm going to take a photo while Randy's coming in for a closer look. And the flowers are in bloom right now. They're absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen cactus flowers like this, and they're everywhere, you guys. It's pretty amazing. So I like to take photos when I'm doing photography with both my Canon 6D Mark II, and this is a full frame camera. I have a flash on it, which helps when you're doing especially portraits and macro photography with flowers. I also have my Canon 80D with my 70 to 300 millimeter lens, and I like using this lens when I'm trying to photograph things that are far away, or sometimes I use them for headshots as well. And as far as the lens that I have on my 6D Mark II, I have a Sigma lens. I love the glass on Sigma lenses, and this lens is a 24 to 70, which is great for everything. Landscapes, portraits, events, weddings, you name it. So anyway, we're gonna keep going into the park and see what we can find. I hear there's this amazing ADA accessible boardwalk area, so we're gonna go check that out. So I'll see you at the next stop. I've been dreaming about coming here for years, you guys. This is truly a dream come true, and this walkway makes it even better. So we just found this great location along the trail where you can get out of the sun. There's a canopy overhead, there's some benches here. You can sit, feel the breeze, take a breath, meditate, and also take in the wildlife that's all around you and learn about the wildlife and the plant life by looking at the informative signs behind me. I really love this trail because not only is it ADA compliant, but the trail protects the wildlife and the plant life from people treading on the terrain. There's beautiful 360 views of the white sand dunes, all the plants, the blooming flowers. I've never seen anything like this, and it's just absolutely breathtaking. I love the desert, and a lot of people say that there's nothing to see in the desert, but I totally disagree. It's like, I feel like I'm on another planet. So we made it up to the overlook, and the view is absolutely gorgeous. It is out of this world. And as you can tell, it is a little windy, but it feels really pleasant in this heat. And I think it's really cool that over 20 movies, music videos, and commercials have been shot here, and I can see why. Now, as far as rating goes, I want to rate this trail an 8 out of 10, only because there's a slight incline coming up here. But other than that, thank you, White Sands National Park, for proving to other national parks and state parks that it is possible to have ADA compliant trails in this type of terrain. If you want to learn more about the Disabled Photographer Project, be sure to visit www.denisevasquezphotography.com/blog. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, we're at Disabled Photographer Project. If you'd like to make a donation, there's a donate button in the blog. And at the moment, we're currently seeking partnerships, ambassadors, and funding. So if you're interested in any of those opportunities, my name's Denise Vasquez. You can send me an email at denisevasquezphotography@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your continued love and support, and we'll see you at the next stop.